Hi everyone. In this video, we want to show you how you can run KGR analysis for a list of keywords that you already are getting impressions from, but you are not getting a lot of clicks. Those are the keywords that you actually are ranking for them, but on the second, third, or fourth page of Google. So what we do is we first need to have a list of those keywords, the keywords that your website is getting impressions from, but you don't get a lot of clicks from them. And those keywords are highly relevant for your search, for your business. So in order to get a list of those keywords, we have a very good source that is your Google Search Console account. So either you have to log into your Google Search Console account, or I prefer to use another tool that connect to our Google Search Console account, which is a search tracking software that also comes with integration with the Google Search Console. I use this tool because it gives me a better analysis of the Search Console, a better analysis than the Search Console. So I basically use this tool to see how is it going with our website's performance on search engines and what keywords we are actually ranking for. What I do here is that I directly go to the table where the keywords are being listed. And here I'm gonna filter results by the keywords like ha, and I'm gonna include and, like no, the or, and I include what and when and where. Maybe those are does, do, all the search terms, or even best, and then I'm gonna filter results. And this gives me like 5 pages of keywords, which is basically 100 keywords, I guess, or 50 keywords. So we have 50 keywords here. Let me see if we can add anything else, like how, what, where. Let's add is, are, keywords like that. That just, you want to get the keywords that have a question term in them. So we have 66 pages of keywords, which means 60 keywords here. So I'm gonna export this one into a CSV file, and then we are going to open that. And these are the keywords, all the keywords that, like, what is KGR, what is alt title. We get all the list of 60 keywords that we have here. Then we go back to all in title, we put them here. Okay, the funny part is that a lot of people might be missing this part, that we have an advanced setting here. With the advanced setting, you can select any locations that you want, and with that you're gonna get the KGR value for the specific location that you set. And you can also choose if you want to get KGR for web videos, news, books, different types of search engines of Google, or you have to select your country. You can select the language that is associated with that country, and also you can calculate KGR with the all-in title or other search operator of Google. So we call this project Search Console Questions. And then we click on Import Keywords. So what we are actually doing here is to see which keywords we are actually getting impressions for, and then run a KGR analysis for those, and then to see if there is any opportunity that we are missing. So if we found a keyword that is a good KGR and we are getting also we are having impressions for it, then those kind of keywords should be good to go for. So we go to the filter, we select search volume. It's like a search volume from let's say 0 to 250, and we also go for the maximum KGR of 0.25 and from 0. And then we are going to see the list of the keywords that we have here. So one of the keywords that we can go for like is how to calculate KGR, because this one has a search volume of 50 and has a KGR of 0.16. And if we go back to SERP tracker to see what is our position for this specific keywords right now, if we filter for that keyword, we will see that our position is 7.23. So this is like we are coming up with that keyword without having any blog post for that. So what we can do is to write a blog post, and with that blog post, because we already have a good position and because the KGR is also very good, I mean, it is in the range of, in the threshold of a good KGR keyword, we basically can go ahead and write a blog post for that, and we probably are going to rank #1 within like after the enough time has passed. So this is one way of running KGR. If you are running out of the keywords idea, you already have good keywords on your Google Search Console account, you don't necessarily need to use a software like SEP Tracker. SEP Tracker does a good job in performing analysis on the data that you already have on Search Console, the analysis, kind of analysis that you cannot find on Search Console itself. But still you have those data and you can run the keyword analysis, the KGR keyword analysis for the search terms that you already are getting impressions and getting impression, but not a lot of clicks for. That was the whole idea of this video. Stay tuned for the future video and tutorials that we are going to create for you guys.